You're watching news headlines on mining.com. I'm Devin Murugan. Gold surged to another all-time high Wednesday, lifted by safe haven demand as the US government ended its first shutdown in 7 years. Spot prices touched $3,895,000 an ounce, while US futures climbed above $3,922. The dollar weakened further after the Fed cut rates and fresh jobs data signaled a slowing economy. Analysts say the political uncertainty and softer labor market have investors betting heavily on more rate cuts this month. With bullion already up 48% this year, some banks now see $4,000 an ounce within reach. The US government will take 5% stake in Lithium Americas and another 5% in its Thacker Pass joint venture with General Motors. The Energy Department will receive the shares through no-cost warrants tied to a $2.26 billion loan for the Nevada project. Shares of the Vancouver-based miner surged 34% in after-hours trading on the news. Thacker Pass is set to become the largest source of lithium in the Western Hemisphere, producing enough for 800,000 electric vehicles a year by 2028. Now, it's the latest Donald Trump administration move to secure critical minerals after similar stakes in Intel and rare earth producer MP Materials. It's still unclear whether BHP will get the green light for a full Olympic Dam expansion in Australia, but the miner is spending more than $500 million to prepare the ground. The 840 million Australian dollar investment will fund a new access tunnel, smelter upgrades and systems to boost processing at the vast copper, gold and uranium site in South Australia. BHP calls these building blocks ahead of a multi-billion-dollar expansion decision now expected in 2028. Olympic Dam is one of the world's biggest copper deposits and a cornerstone of Australia's role in the global energy transition. BHP is targeting copper output of up to 2.5 million tonnes a year, with South Australia central to that growth. Drilling at DPM Metals' Loma Larga project in Ecuador has been halted after protests in the region. The Canadian miners said a 23,000-metre program due to begin later this year has been paused. The company gave no timeline for restarting work. It says it will continue talks with communities and the government to address concerns. The pause comes as DPM's new study shows higher capital costs and smaller potential returns for the project. Namibia is considering joining Angola in a potential consortium to buy into diamond giant De Beers. Officials say no decision will be rushed, with concerns over falling demand and the rise of lab-grown gems. Now, Angola has already submitted a bid for a minority stake, while Botswana has said it wants a controlling share. Namibia has yet to be approached, but stressed its strong ties with Angola and De Beers. The country already partners with De Beers through Namdeb and Deb Marine, which produced 2.2 million carats of diamonds last year. And that's where we leave your news headlines on mining.com for now.